Okay, we're here to Kroger. So it's my maintenance. So that's the kindness. But this is toy. But I'm pretty sure that but I don't know whatever that is. So I am in a disaster. So so it is. Equipment. I don't know whatever that is. Hmm. I don't know whatever that is. Uh-uh. Hey! Mm-hmm. Hey, what are you doing? I just... Okay, this stuff. So, here's let's... I gotta pick it up, and... Oh, it's Minecraft. Yeah, it is our Minecraft. So, let's... Yeah, hang on. Oh, good idea. I'm not sure it was... I don't... What that is? Oh. Huh. Hi guys, what are you doing? Nothing. We're at a Kroger. Oh, really? That's nice. But I have this nothing, so it's right here. See that? Oh, really? Yeah. I don't, whatever that is. So I got to sleep. Well, that no, I want. Oh my God! No! Ouch! Why is it supposed to be do that? Because I'm like scared. Oh, that's too bad. Okay. Oh, so I have an act. Whatever. So let's go. Yeah. So this is our same time. So, well, Thomas minis. I'm not. This is a bad idea. I got. Hmm. Get. Get and get out of here. Well. Well. It's that's why I have all of these opinions. So the minions. Oh my! That means right here. Hmm? Oh my! Uh, seriously? Alright. You've ever, picked up, that one? Yoda, Yokai Watch? Yeah, whatever that is. I have been last night because it was so terrible. But wait, you mean, kitty? What? Excuse me, I have a nothing, but I have been, I gotta jump. Well, let's go. Yeah, let's get out of here.